This demonstration shows how to cut a double miter on one end of the pipe. That is, 2 miter cuts on one end of the pipe. Here we have a part that already has 1 miter on one end, and now I'm going to just duplicate that cut. It doesn't matter if I create a new one or duplicate it. And I will take that cut and move it back to 4.75. There you can see that. And now I'm going to change the angle to 60 just to show that it doesn't have to be the same. And now you notice I actually want it on the other side, so in this case I'll have to rotate it to 180. I can rotate it to what I need. And now if I look at this, you'll see that this is the remaining pipe. Now in a plasma cutter, if you're cutting out here with the first cut, like right here, everything will cut fine, but when you go to cut this cut, it won't cut because it'll hit the air. So you'll have to set your plasma cutter on skip mode. The other option is to take your first cut and turn the tabs on, and that will leave this part in place here, this remaining part here, and that way when this one starts to cut, it'll have metal to hit and it won't turn off. But if you're trying to save this extra distance of pipe right here and start your cut so that it moves into the tip of the edge of the pipe or the end of the pipe, then skip mode is what is advised.